Hello. What would you say if I told you there was a proven way to detect, diagnose, and cure today's most common health issues? Everything from high cholesterol to anemia, HPV to gastritis, and arthritis to cystitis, and so many more. All without using any toxic drugs, invasive surgical procedures, or expensive medical treatments. I'm talking about a highly effective way to effortlessly treat diseases such as hepatitis, fibromyalgia, epilepsy, and even cancer. A completely natural therapy that has a 96% success rate according to scientific studies and clinical experience, and one that can identify the very root of disease before a single symptom has appeared, and all without any harmful side effects. There is just such a way to quickly and easily create the kind of optimal health you've been seeking for yourself or for your clients, one with the life-changing results you've only dreamed were possible. It's called biomagnetic pair therapy, and you can use it to prevent, diagnose, and treat countless diseases, chronic health problems, and illnesses, no matter what you've tried in the past. Whether you're a medical professional looking for successful allopathic therapies, someone interested in becoming a biomagnetic pair practitioner, or you desperately need help with your own health, you're about to get your hands on the critical information you've been seeking. Our biomagnetism training webinar was created with one purpose only: to help people just like you get the information you need to make an informed decision about biomagnetic pair therapy and how it can help you or your patients. In my free 40-minute webinar, you'll gain access to everything you need to know to understand the truth about this groundbreaking treatment. I'll explain the basics of biomagnetic pair therapy, why it's totally different from traditional magnetic therapy, and I'll also reveal exactly how you can benefit from this pioneering, all-inclusive modality. In addition, I'll expose the real reason why you haven't heard more about this revolutionary treatment. More on this in a moment. But first, it's a fact. You, your clients, or your loved ones do not have to suffer anymore. There is a better way. A different way. A way that is consistent with your desire to live a healthy, happy, and complete life. This is what biomagnetic pair therapy does. This is what it can offer you. This is why today, right now, it's so important for you to act. I want you to get the genuine help you deserve. And that's why I highly encourage you to register for my complimentary webinar right now. Simply enter your name and email in the form below. It's quick, simple, and totally free to sign up. But the information you'll learn could save you thousands of dollars and, more importantly, change your life forever. So, are you wondering why you haven't heard more about biomagnetic pair therapy? A moment ago, I promised I'd reveal the reason why, and here it is. Biomagnetism is so incredibly effective and affordable that the big multinational pharma companies, you know, the ones who produce the drugs and make the surgical equipment and basically control the entire medical community, they don't want you to learn about biomagnetic pair therapy. Why? It's simply a matter of dollars and cents, and lots of them. You see, Big Pharma would stand to lose billions of dollars if biomagnetic pair therapy was to become commonplace. Biomagnetism is extremely inexpensive, and yet it prevents, diagnoses, and treats the exact same issues that our medical system charges outrageous amounts for. If you end the need for those costly treatments, the flow of billions in profits to greedy pharmaceutical companies would be dramatically cut. You can do the math. This is not acceptable to these multinational corporations. So, as a result, they're doing everything they can to block biomagnetic pair practitioners from running trials, conducting studies, and gathering the scientific data needed to demonstrate to the global medical community how effective biomagnetism truly is. And although there are currently 20,000 trained biomagnetic pair practitioners, we need tens of thousands more to truly make a worldwide impact. With reliable information and certified training so difficult to find, it's creating a huge obstacle to this phenomenal treatment. Sadly, this means a therapy that could help hundreds of millions of people suffering and dying from disease and illness around the world is being withheld, all because of greed and ignorance. People just like you who could greatly benefit from everything biomagnetism offers are being kept in the dark. But all that changes right here and now. In my free webinar, Biomagnetism Training, you'll learn the key definitions and background of medical biomagnetism, how magnets work therapeutically, how biomagnetic pair therapy is used as a preventive, diagnostic, and therapeutic system, what biomagnetic pairs are and how they are used to treat disease, why understanding body pH is so important to good health, how biomagnetic pair therapy is different from the more commonly known magnetic therapy, many diseases biomagnetism can cure and how and where to find the best biomagnetic pair therapy training, and much more. Sign up now. Just enter your name and email address to get started. Look, it doesn't matter what you've experienced in the past. It doesn't matter if you thought great health and well-being were reserved for other people and not you, or whether you're tired of looking for allopathic treatments that aren't supported by evidence. None of that matters anymore. When you learn how biomagnetic pair therapy works and how it can help you, you'll finally see that hope is possible and the information you need is only a click away. Listen, you are not alone. People everywhere are struggling to find alternative, natural, and highly effective solutions for their health issues and those of their patients. The only difference is that you now have access to the help you need. So the only question I need to ask you is, what are you waiting for? Are you ready to change your life forever? Please, do yourself a favor and register for my free webinar now. You'll be very thankful you did.